I've always taken ethical hunting rules very seriously. On that point, I think of myself as a bit of a Joan.
You're a fucking ugly bitch. I want to stab you to death and then play around with your blood.
I have killed 60 people. 60 people! You wanna fucking die? Nobody wants to help! Don't look at the axe. Look at the works.
You're my lawyer, so I think you should know I've killed a lot of people.
If you feel like screaming, I definitely think that you should.
You're getting bastard!
Blackout days, I don't recognize you anymore.